Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll show you how to create an animated logo for a preloader in Adobe XD. We need 3 artboards for this project. So, let's draw a circle while holding the Alt key or Option key to start drawing the logo. Now, make a copy and scale it down a little. Then, select both circles and subtract them like this. Next, draw a rectangle from the middle of the circle. Make a duplicate and place its right bottom corner in the middle of the circle. Again, select everything and subtract to make a shape like this. Rotate the shape counterclockwise by -45 degrees. Nice, let's rename this quickly to front. Now, make a copy of our simple logo and rename it back. Renaming will be useful when creating the prototype, I promise. Okay, select the front shape and make it green. Of course, you can use any color you want. Next, select the other shape from the layer panel and color it red. Again, you can use your own colors. A wording would be nice, so let's type loading. Select all and align them to the artboard for perfectionist's sake. Now, it's time to create the middle portion of the animation. Place a copy on my Please Like My Video artboard. Do you see what I did there? Okay. Maybe a darker background would be better. Let's do that for the others as well. Nice. Now, select the front shape and rotate it counterclockwise by -125 degrees. Copy all the objects from this artboard and move to the subscribe artboard. I did that again. See? Woo! Okay, let's do the final stage of the animation. Select the back shape and rotate it counterclockwise by -135 degrees. Perfect. So, the preparation part is done. All we have left to do is prototype. Go to the Prototype tab, select the first artboard, and link it to the second artboard. In the Interaction menu, set the trigger to time. At 0.2 delay is good. Select the action type as Auto Animate. Let's keep the easing settings as it is for now. We can try other easings later. Repeat the same process when connecting the second artboard to the third. Lastly, link the third artboard to the first artboard to complete the cycle. Now, it's time to test our preloader. Click the play icon at the far end of the corner. It works perfectly. Now, I can be proud of myself. Let's try other easing types as well. Remember to select all the artboards when changing the easing type. If you don't remember what they are, I can tell you a couple of them for you. They are, please like my video and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and learned something new. It's time to say goodbye. See you guys with a new video soon. In the meantime, check out my other videos as well. Thank you for watching.